Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing an unboxing of my newest luxury purchase. So originally, this item that I am sharing today wasn't on my 2020-2021 wish list. However, it was such a good deal for an item that I've been trying to replace. So I went ahead and splurged. So here's the item that I've been trying to replace. These are my black biker boots from Michael Kors. I don't usually shop at contemporary stores, but for shoes and things like that, I buy whatever is more affordable. I do have quite a few pairs of designer shoes, but these I was more of a need basis, so I was looking for black biker boots, and these were exactly the styles that I've been looking for. So I've had these since I think 2017, I want to say, so it's been about 3 years. And while they're still comfortable and wearable, there's a good bit of wear. As you can see, the leather is well worn in. You can see that there's scuff up front. So I've been just kind of trying to find a pair that could replace these. And yeah, the leather tab, it's been chewed through by my dog. So yeah, I've been looking to replace these with a different model. But believe it or not, it's really hard to find the perfect pair of style of boots that matches what I just showed you guys, because I don't think it's the most kind of trendy boots that's out there right now. I think there's a lot of lace-up combat boots. I don't really like those. I don't really like the boots that are so high. Riding boots are not in style anymore. I don't really like ankle boots that are shorter than what I just showed. So for me to find this specific style, it was very difficult. And while I've been browsing, I remembered that I've been eyeing the specific pair of boots that I bought from Choo for several years, and I found one, and for such a good price, I had to jump on it. So I'll go ahead and unbox. I'm doing a cheating unboxing because I already unboxed it a couple days ago, and I wore them out yesterday, so it's not a true unboxing. But just to share, it comes in this beautiful box. It has Choo logo up front. The box was a little beaten up, but you know, it's just a box. I did make sure that the boots were in good condition when I bought it. And then here's the tag. So you can see what they're called, and it's actually priced in euros, and I'll share it with you guys where I got this actually from. And in here, it came with the dust bag and some packaging. Here are my newest boots from Choo. They're called the Youth 2 biker boots. They're a newer model from what they used to carry called, or they might still carry it, it's called Youth biker boots. So these are very similar to the boots that I just showed you guys right here. You can see that it's pretty much an identical style, and that's what I've been looking for exactly. So these come with a silver buckle. It looks like it could be gold, but it's actually silver. Doesn't have a zipper on the side. My other pair did have a zipper. These slide on and slide off really easily. You can see that it comes with really chunky soles, and I'm very happy that these are now mine. They're quite heavy, so I just had to put the other boot down. These currently retail for $895 here in the United States. However, I did order from this website called Satir. I think they're Italian or French, one of the European countries. They do direct shipping from Europe. That's why you saw the price in euros on the box. I didn't get this from within the United States. So it's free shipping if the price of an item that you're trying to buy is over $250. And if you're looking to buy anything luxury, it's usually well over that. So I got these shipped really quickly, and the shipping was free. When you check out, the customs and everything will be included. So that's really helpful because you get to see kind of price up front of what you'll end up paying. So I bought these, I think, for $448. If I'm incorrect, I will insert the correct price here. But that's about half of what it will cost for me to buy this pair here. And the reason why it took me, I think, 5 years to finally pull the trigger on this pair of shoes is because, you know, it's a hefty price tag. For a pair of boots, something that goes on the floor. I've always loved this pair of shoes, but it just took me forever to find them for the right price. I can already tell though, this is going to last me a really long time. You can see that the soles are really chunky and has a very thick rubber sole on the bottom, which will help with the wear and tear of the shoes. It's very sturdy and stiff on the bottom of the boot. And you can see it's a little bit softer up top here, but it's gorgeous, luxurious feeling leather, and they're very comfortable. I think I will still need to wear them in to really break them in, but I'm really looking forward to wearing these boots in the next coming months. Anyway, that was a really quick unboxing of my newest pair of boots that I added from Jimmy Choo. Let me know what you guys think of this specific style of boots that's not quite as trendy, and whether this is to your liking or whether you prefer other style of boots. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.